unfortunately been about a mile. We're on Wolf Pen Gap Road, I'm recording here. Wolf Pen Gap Road, headed to Two Wheels and Suches from 129. Day number 9, I think. I think it's day number 9 of our Rainmaker tour. And we've been unsuccessful today. No rain today. Been unsuccessful. We stayed at Blue Ridge Motorcycle Camp the last 2 nights. We'll let the weather come through. A lot of wind. Heavy rain night before last. A lot of wind yesterday. So we're staying at Two Wheels and Such tonight. Sure if we're heading home tomorrow on Monday or stay somewhere else. I don't know. I need to get on home and get some work done, but who wants to do that? Right? So want to do it? No. Need to do it? Yeah. I don't know. We'll see. You're almost there. Sunday. I go back to work Wednesday night, so not really in a hurry to get home. Unless we just want to get some work done. Melly said we'll be way too tired for work when we get home. I think I'm going to lay on the couch all day the first day. Up.